Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of a car that's been turning heads for years, the Chevrolet Cruze. Whether you're a longtime fan or just getting curious, stick around because we'll be exploring everything from its sleek exterior design to its refined interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the Chevrolet Cruze brings a sporty and modern look to the compact sedan segment. Its aerodynamic body features bold lines, a sharp front grille, and stylishly designed headlights that add an aggressive touch. The car sits confidently on the road, with alloy wheels that complement its smooth, flowing shape. The rear end is equally attractive, with sculpted tail lights and a subtle spoiler that adds to its sporty appeal. Depending on the trim level, you'll find chrome accents, LED daytime running lights, and a sunroof option that enhances its premium vibe. Moving to the interior, the Chevrolet Cruze impresses with its clean layout and comfortable seating. The cabin feels surprisingly spacious for a compact car, offering plenty of headroom and legroom in both the front and rear seats. High-quality materials are used throughout, giving the interior a refined feel. The dashboard design is intuitive, with easy-to-reach controls and a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. Higher trims include leather upholstery, heated seats, and a premium sound system, making the Cruze not only practical but also a pleasant place to spend time. When it comes to performance, the Chevrolet Cruze delivers a balanced driving experience. Under the hood, it typically offers a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine producing around 153 horsepower. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. The Cruze handles city streets and highways with ease, offering good fuel efficiency, decent acceleration, and a quiet, composed ride. Its suspension setup manages bumps well, while the steering feels light yet precise, making it a comfortable and confident daily driver. As for pricing, the Chevrolet Cruze remains a competitive option in its class. While it's no longer in production after 2019 in some markets, you can still find new or certified pre-owned models at attractive prices. Depending on the year, trim, and condition, prices can range from around $10,000 for older models to $20,000 for newer, well-equipped versions. It's an affordable, reliable, and stylish choice for anyone looking for a compact sedan with a solid mix of comfort, tech, and efficiency.